Good morning students, we are going to perform an experiment with the help of screw gauge. So this is a device which is used to measure the diameter of a wire or a diameter of an object. So we are going to measure the diameter of this bolt with the help of this screw gauge. Let us discuss its different parts. This is the ratchet. By turning this ratchet we can rotate this circular scale. You can see there is a circular scale over here, or head scale. It has 100 equal parts. There is a main scale over here. It has one line, horizontal line, which is known as baseline or reference line. So when we rotate it, you can see circular scale is going away, and this can measure a maximum diameter of 20 millimeter. This part of the screw is turned by rotating the ratchet, and the other part, this part, is fixed. It is known as stud. At the base, at the lower part, you can see U-shaped framework of the screw gauge. So we will rotate the ratchet so that the flat end of the screw is in contact with the stud. Now we can check the zero error. If zero of the screw gauge is coinciding with the zero of the circular scale is coinciding with the baseline of the main scale, it means there is no zero error. So let us consider positive zero error. If zero of the circular scale lies below the baseline, then the instrument will have positive zero error. Negative zero error will be when zero of the circular scale lies above the baseline, then that zero error will be negative zero error. So we will now measure pitch and least count of this instrument. Pitch is the distance moved by the screw in one complete rotation, and to calculate pitch we will divide the distance moved by the circular scale over number of rotations. So when we give one complete rotation, distance moved by it is 1 millimeter, so pitch comes out to be 1 millimeter. Least count is equal to pitch divided by total number of divisions on the circular scale. So 100 divisions are there on the circular scale. Least count comes out to be 0.01 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. Now we are going to measure the diameter of this nut. We will fix this by rotating the ratchet. We will move this flat end and we will adjust the nut between flat end and stud. Observed diameter will be main scale reading plus circular scale division coinciding with the baseline into least count. Main scale reading, you can clearly see over here, is 4 millimeter, because one mean scale division is equals to 1 millimeter. Now the division which is coinciding, the division of the circular scale which is coinciding with the baseline is 28. So we will use these two readings and we get the diameter to be 4.28 millimeter.